right. And we are now live. All right, we are out on the southwest side of Fisher's Island. And we are going to do the first driftwood drop here. We're going to send out some smaller pieces. We are near a shipping lane, so we're going to keep that in mind. I want to thank Cito for this driftwood drop, Cito Eastern CT. I also want to thank the Southeastern Connecticut Cultural Coalition for the Reiki grant that I was awarded to kick off this program. I want to thank all my participants for taking this journey with me and for taking part in the workshop, finding your words of power and burning them into the driftwood. And I'm just going to do this in silence. It's kind of a heavy world out there right now, and I'm glad that this workshop could help you find your words of power to get us through this time. So I'm just going to do this launch in silence, and then we're going to go around to the other side of the island, and we're going to do a second launch. So enjoy the beautiful, beautiful water. Okay to do the big ones, Captain? All right, we are holding. We're gonna go a little bit further out to sea as our pieces of driftwood have been launched. We have a few more to do. Thank you for joining me for that moment of silence. And I love that the last few little pieces we threw out were spread love. Just remember to spread love. We've got keep on spreading love. Treat everybody the way you want to be treated, and be the ripple that becomes a wave. All right, we got the thumbs up from the captain. I'm gonna let a few more pieces go before we head over to the other side of the island. And once again, I'd like to take this time to have a moment of silence as the pieces of driftwood are launched. All right, thank you everyone. We're gonna jet on over to the other side of the island. Are we gonna speed up? Should I stop the video? All right, we're gonna pause and we're gonna pick it up and do a few more releases on the other side of the island. Stay tuned.